Emerged in 2016, Inframarket is India's leading construction solutions company, supplying 15 plus categories of building material products and profitable since inception. Our $2.5 billion valuation marks the next phase of building revolutions. We cater to diverse clients in B2B, retail and categories. Introducing Ivas powered by Inframarket that offers an extensive selection tailored to meet your home fixtures needs. Our portfolio encompasses home fixtures categories including electricals. Amidst the hustle and bustle of the vibrant city of Hyderabad, where innovation meets excellence, we at Ivas Electricals are redefining the very essence of electrical manufacturing. At Ivas, we believe in the power of Make in India. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing unit is a testament to our commitment to quality and ingenuity. From concept to creation, we ensure that every step in the production process is meticulously executed. Design innovation is at the core of everything we do. Our team of brilliant engineers and designers work tirelessly at our R&D center to create products that not only meet the highest industry standards but also push the boundaries of what's possible. We believe in crafting electrical solutions that seamlessly integrate into the consumer's life, making it comfortable, smarter and more efficient. Quality assurance is our topmost priority. From extreme temperatures to high humidity, our products are built to withstand every challenge, delivering unmatched performance. Every product that leaves our manufacturing unit goes through a series of stringent tests to ensure it meets our uncompromising standards. We understand the importance of reliability, and our commitment to quality assurance guarantees that our products perform flawlessly, giving you peace of mind. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our fully automated air delivery testing lab ensures that every product undergoes rigorous performance tests in simulated environments. At Ivas, we believe that our dedication to Make in India, design innovation, quality assurance and manufacturing excellence directly benefits the end consumer. Ivas Electricals, powering the future together.